Do you want softer, glowing skin without spending a fortune? Let me introduce you to a secret weapon, apricot kernel oil. Lightweight, nourishing, and packed with vitamins. This oil could totally transform your skincare routine. Today, I'll tell you why and give you a simple formula you can start using tonight. Apricot kernel oil is cold pressed from the seeds inside apricots. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and E, plus essential fatty acids that hydrate and protect your skin. Apricot kernel oil helps improve your skin's elasticity without clogging your pores. Are you ready to make your own body oil? Here's a very beginner-friendly formula. In a small glass bottle, combine the apricot kernel oil and the jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is amazing because it closely mimics the natural oils our skin produces. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and helps balance oil production. Add the vitamin E oil and the lavender essential oil. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. It supports skin healing and keeps moisture locked in. Lavender essential oil is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. See how easy that was? Nature really does provide the best skincare. If you give this simple beginner formula a try, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and see you next time.